Hello and welcome to this video on the U.S. economy. The economy of the United States is the largest national economy in the world and is a mixed economy with both private and public sectors. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the key aspects of the U.S. economy and how it has been performing in recent years. Part 1. Overview of the U.S. economy. The U.S. economy is driven by several factors, including consumption, investment, government spending, and exports. In 2020, the gross domestic product, GDP, of the United States was $21.4 trillion, which is the highest in the world. The U.S. economy is also characterized by a highly developed infrastructure, a skilled workforce, and a technologically advanced industrial base. Part 2. Recent performance of the U.S. economy. The U.S. economy has been performing well in recent years. In 2019, the GDP grew by 2.2%, and unemployment reached a 50-year low of 3.5%. However, the COVID-19 pandemic hit the U.S. economy hard in 2020, causing a decline of 3.5% in GDP and leading to a sharp increase in unemployment. The U.S. government responded to the pandemic with massive stimulus packages, including the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. Part 3. Key industries in the U.S. economy. The U.S. economy is home to several key industries, including finance, technology, healthcare, and manufacturing. The finance industry is one of the largest in the world and is centered in cities like New York and Chicago. The technology industry, dominated by companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon, is also a major contributor to the U.S. economy. The healthcare industry is the largest employer in the U.S., while the manufacturing industry has been declining in recent years. Part 4. Challenges facing the U.S. economy. The U.S. economy faces several challenges, including income inequality, rising healthcare costs, and climate change. Income inequality has been a persistent problem in the U.S., with the top 1% of earners holding more wealth than the bottom 50%. Healthcare costs in the U.S. are also high compared to other developed countries, and climate change is a threat to several industries, including agriculture and tourism. Conclusion. In conclusion, the U.S. economy is the largest in the world and is driven by several key industries. Despite the challenges it faces, the U.S. economy has been performing well in recent years, and the government has taken steps to address the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The U.S. economy will continue to play a critical role in the global economy, and its success will depend on addressing the challenges it faces while leveraging its strengths. Thank you for watching.